Hi guys, so moving on to the next question. From int main we have this function abc and we are passing the address of your string xyz. Now let's suppose xyz, this is your string, and let's suppose the base address starts from 100. So this is 101, this is 102, and this is 103. So this 100 you are storing in this pointer s, so s is pointing at what? 100. Now if I are writing if s0 is not equal to null, now this is your s0, this is s1, this is s2, and this is s3, right? So s0 is equal to null, your condition becomes false. So now you come to this line, right? So when we are passing 100, so what is happening? We are calling this function abc. S plus 1 means now it is pointing at 101. abc 101, and you are printing printf s of 0, right? But this won't get printed first because we have these two recursive calls. So first you will solve these two recursive calls, then this gets printed. Meanwhile it is stored in stack, right? So just for your weight of your understanding purpose, I am writing the complete statement. Now we will call this function. So when we call this function, now your s is pointing at, when you call this function, your s is pointing at 101. So star of 101 is your y. Now for this, since your pointing is pointing at 101, so this becomes your s0, s1, s2. Take it. So s0 star is equal to null, your condition becomes false. So now again you run this statement abc s plus 1 means 102. This is again abc 102, right? Similarly this is 101, so when you call this function again, this will be abc 102, and this is abc 102, and you are printing printf s0, right? So when you call this function, now your pointer is pointing at 102. So that star is z, which is not equal to null, so condition is true. So this becomes abc 103, abc 103, and sorry यहाँ पे printf भी आएगा, printf s of z, right? And you are printing s z, fine. Now when you call this function abc 103, now 103 star is null, so condition becomes false, right? So return, so this won't evaluate. Similarly this won't evaluate. Now printf s0, your pointer is pointing at 102, so s0 value is z, so this z gets printed, right? Similarly when you call this abc 102, or when you solve this abc 102, z was the output. So when you call this, so again it will print what? Z, right? So now when you call printf s0, this s0 is s, when the pointer was pointing at 101, so 101 s0 is y, so this y gets printed here, right? So now when you call this 102 again, see guys, when you call this 102 again, so what will happen? When you call this 102 again, so this z gets printed, so I am writing z here. Similarly when you call this 102 again, as z gets printed, so I am writing a z here, and this s0 is of the base address 101, so a y gets printed, y, right? A y gets printed, right? Now again you will call this printf s0 finally, so this s0 is for this 100, so x gets printed. So now मेरे को ये बताओ, सबसे पहले क्या प्रिंट हुआ? सबसे पहले प्रिंट हुआ ये z, सबसे पहले आया z, ये वाला फंक्शन हुआ, ये सॉल्व हुआ, ये सॉल्व हुआ, ये सॉल्व हुआ, फिर ये z आया, काम खत्म इस फंक्शन का। उसके बाद मैं आगे मूव किया, फिर एक z प्रिंट हुआ, ठीक है? फिर मैं आगे मूव हुआ, फिर क्या प्रिंट हुआ? y प्रिंट हुआ, इस फंक्शन का काम भी पूरा हुआ। फिर मैं यहाँ पे प्रिंट मूव किया, फिर क्या प्रिंट हुआ? फिर से z y प्रिंट हुआ, तो फिर से z y प्रिंट हुआ, इस फंक्शन का काम पूरा हुआ। अब यहाँ पे printf s0 है, किसका s0? 100 का, क्या प्रिंट हुआ? x प्रिंट हुआ। This is the beautiful answer, ठीक है? मजे आए? Take care guys, love you.